natural system of classification, Bentham and Hooker. The natural system of classification of organism is according to a relationship based on descent from a common ancestors. In this classification, the organism is classified on the basis of their vegetative characters, which are permanent and do not change with the environment. This system of classification avoids grouping heterogeneous and unrelated groups of organisms. The first natural system of plant classification was given by Bentham and Hooker. A widely followed natural system of classification considered the best was proposed by two English botanists, George Bentham 1800 to 1884 and Joseph Dalton Hooker 1817 to 1911. It is a natural system of classification and is based on important characters of the plants. Even today, this system is being followed in India, United Kingdom and several other Commonwealth countries. It is also used in a number of herbaria and botanical gardens all over the world. It is a well-known and widely accepted classification of seeded plants. In our own country, the two great herbaria at Kolkata and Dehradun use this system for maintain the large number of plants. Classification system of Bentham and Hooker. In Bentham and Hooker classification of plants, the present day orders were referred to as cohorts and families as orders. Bentham and Hooker classified the plants based on natural characters. The classification was published in a 3-volume work Genera Plantarum 1862 to 1883 describing 202 families and 7,569 genera and 97,205 species. The seed plants were classified into 3 major classes such as Dicotyledone, Gymnospermy and Monocotyledone. Division Phanerogams or seed plants. It is differentiated into 3 classes: Dicotyledone, Gymnospermy and Monocotyledone. Dicotyledone means seeds having 2 cotyledons. It is differentiated into 3 subclasses: Polypetally, Gamopetally and Monoclamidae. Polypetally is differentiated into 3 series: Thalamiflory, Disciflory and Caliciflory. Thalamiflory, order Ranels, family Anonaceae. Order Parietes, family Brassicaceae. While in Disciflory, then Caliciflory, order Myrtles, family Myrtaceae. Gamopetally, petals are fused or united. It is differentiated into 3 series: Inferi, Heteromeri and Bicarpellate. Inferi means ovary is inferior, flower is epigynous. Order Rubiales, family Rubiaceae. And Heteromeri and Bicarpellate, number of carpels 2. Order Polymoniales, family Solanaceae. Order Gentianales, family Apocynaceae. Then Polypetally, Gamopetally and Monoclamidae series Curvemri because the embryo is curved, family Nyctagenes. Then Gymnospermy, it is differentiated into Nyctaceae, Coniferae and Cycadaceae. Then Monocotyledone, seeds with single cotyledon series Epigyne. This is the general broad outline of Bentham and Hooker system of classification using a natural characters. That's why it is a natural system of plant classification. Merits of Bentham and Hooker system of classification. This classification is a great natural system of its own kind and to a great extent form an ancestry of every recent system. Second, each plant has been described either from actual specimen or preserved herbarium sheets, so that the descriptions are detailed as well as quite accurate. Third, it is simple and easy to use for practical purpose or practical utilities. Number 4, the flora describes geographical distribution of species and genera. This system includes the names and descriptions of all genera of seed plants known so far and classified accordingly. Ranels is placed first in the dicot, which is very reasonable. Placing of monocots after the dicot is again a natural according to evolutionary trends. Placing of series disciplory in between thalamiflory and calyciflory is quite natural. The placing of gamopetalae after polypetalae is justified, since union of petals is considered to be an advanced feature over the free condition. Demerits, disadvantages or limitations of Bentham and Hooker system. Number 1, keeping gymnosperm in between dicots and monocots is anomalous. Number 2, subclass Monoclamidae is quite artificial. Number 3, placing of Monoclamidae after gamopetalae does not seems to be natural. Number 4, some of the closely related orders are widely separated from each other. Certain families of Monoclamidae are closely related to families in Polypetalae, for example Chenopodiaceae and Caryophyllaceae. Liliaceae and Amaryllidaceae were kept apart merely on the basis of characters of ovary, through they are very closely related. Number 7, placing of family Orchidaceae in the beginning of monocotyledons is unnatural, as it is one of the most advanced family of monocots. Similarly, Compositae has been placed near the beginning of Gamopetalae, which is quite unnatural. Number 8, this system failed to give concept of phylogenetic relationship. Therefore, it is only a modified form of lineage system. References. Thank you very much.